Is your website a digital snail, leaving your visitors tapping their toes and clicking away? Let's supercharge your Adobe Dreamweaver projects with optimization techniques to boost performance. First, we'll tackle cleaner code, identify and remove any unnecessary code elements like redundant tags, extra spaces, or unused comments. This reduces the overall file size, resulting in faster loading times. Up next, file size reduction. Focus on optimizing images. Use Dreamweaver's built-in features to compress images, or use external tools. Before importing them, select the smallest file format that balances quality with size, such as JPEG for photos and PNG for graphics with transparency. Next, we'll talk about CSS and external style sheets, and how they affect the page. By creating an external CSS file and linking to it, you not only declutter your HTML, but also allow browsers to cache the CSS file, further improving render time. Centralizing your styles makes maintaining a consistent user experience much easier. Moving on, let's streamline loading times. The website's loading speed is important for success. Dreamweaver offers tools and options to improve performance. You can use these tools, plus what we've reviewed, to improve load time significantly. By implementing these Dreamweaver optimization tips, you'll be on your way to creating websites that load quickly, provide a smooth user experience, and keep your visitors engaged and coming back for more. So, optimize, improve, and watch your website soar.